about dinner tables, right? Do you have any favorite healthy palate that you would love to munch on any time?
I eat a lot of white chickpeas. Uh,
Okay.
I'll just slice up a tomato. I'll slice up
Okay.
an onion,
Uh-huh.
mix it with chickpea, a bit of chaat masala.
Uh-huh.
That's sort of easy for me, and I've become vegetarian these days.
Oh,
In remembrance of one of my friend, right? May he rest
okay.
in peace.
Oh,
It's
okay.
just 2.5 months now. Vegan, in fact, not even vegetarian, not even eating egg.
Oh,
Uh,
okay.
trying to live up to it. So that is my vegetarian diet, and I cannot.
Mm-hmm.
You will not believe me how tough vegetarian diet is, especially when
Yes.
it comes to choices.
Yes.
But then that's just at the beginning, right? But then I slowly realized there's these
Right.
kidney beans that you can eat.
Yes.
There's red beans, black beans, chickpeas,
So
paneer.
yeah. Yes.
So there's a lot of misconception
True.
about not being able to build muscle in a vegetarian diet.
So Ajit, do you ever have cravings for junk like pizza,
Yes,
burger?
I do. Yeah, I do, and it is mandatory. In fact, for me, it is mandatory. Every 30 days, I do have a cheat meal, and I
Okay.
go all in, all out.
Okay.
Pizzas, burgers, and French fries, and that is very, very important even for your body because then
Right.
it it gets it does not get you do not get used to it, but then a cheat
True.
meal it makes your body happy, and the next day you're back into
Yes.
routine. So I
So
do
true.
crave, especially when you have
Okay.
kids at home, and I have a wife who craves a lot of junk food. So
Okay.
when I see all of this in front of the table, I do crave a lot.
Right.
But then that's another myth that people have,
Right.
and I've seen it in a lot of articles or Google questions. If you see on Quora, there'll be people saying, "Hey, I had a pint of beer yesterday. Am I going to lose my six packs now?" That is all nonsense. We need to live a
Right.
happy life,
Right.
still take care of the cravings, still
True.
listen to your mind, but at the same time maintain a fitness routine.
Right, right. Totally agree with that point. I mean, when people start this journey, right, many have this misconception, like you mentioned. They'll be like, okay, for 10 days, I'm not going to eat anything. And again, they start craving. So that's not how you start your journey. It should be
Yeah.
balanced. At least when you're in an initial point, it takes a lot for you to inculcate that self control and discipline. So it has to be slow and you have to satisfy them slowly so that your brain also understands that okay, these are your craving points and these are not.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, there's so much of information around us. For
Right,
example, when someone's on a weight loss diet, they
right.
feel that they need to stop eating. That is the worst
True.
thing to do. In
Exactly.
fact, they should increase their meals.
True.
It should become 4 or 5 meals, but smaller portion of meals.
So Ajit, now that we spoke about your workout routines, food, and you also mentioned about sleep, right, which is very, very important. It plays an important role in our daily routine. So
Yeah,
what's your take on this?
I absolutely feel 8 hours,
Mhm.
7 hours, and there's a lot of information around it as well, right? They say
Right,
Asians, especially Chinese, they just sleep for 5 hours, but they're still
right,
healthy. So it'll
right,
all boil down to what does your lifestyle look like? If you are all day sitting in front of a laptop and using a lot of your brains, I mean, you're still
so
getting
true.
tired,
Right.
right? So I try to follow 7.5 hours of sleep at the least.
Okay.
In fact, I have set it up in my watch now. It
Oh,
monitors my sleep every day, and I
amazing.
weekly report on did I meet it or
Mhm.
not. So I
Okay.
think we need to take advantage of the technology that we have.
So because of COVID, our lifestyle has become sedentary. It's confined to four walls. What's your take on this? And what do you wanna tell to those people who have a desk job and being sedentary all this time?
So I follow this rule called 20-20-20, which
Mm-hmm.
means every 20 minutes,
Okay.
get up, look
Uh-huh.
at something for 20 seconds, that
Okay.
is 20 meters away, which is
Okay.
basically saying not looking at your laptop all the time. So let's just say this is a wall. I try to stand up
Okay.
every 20
Okay.
minutes, look
Uh-huh.
at something that is 20 meters away. It
Okay.
brings the focus back, and you're
Uh-huh.
also not straining your eyes. So this is the 20-20-20 rule. There are small things like make
Mm-hmm.
sure that the water can is not close to you, right? Maybe you have a small water can. try
Okay.
to have it, and when we have to refill it, you have to
Mhm.
go to kitchen, for example.
Right.
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 So all these convenient things, don't keep them
Uh-huh.
close to you. Don't keep snacks close to you. Even if you want to snack on something, just get up and go get something. Right. Every hour, at
Right.
least once every hour, try to get out of the room, go and talk to
Right.
someone within your family. It is
Correct.
very important. You cannot get confined to walls, and that is how you get into a comfort zone, and then you
True.
just
True.
get used to it.
Correct. Very well said, Ajit. I loved your 20-20-20 rule, and I'm sure this would gonna be a hit. People should inculcate this for sure. Okay, so Ajit, I see plants next to you, and we know that you love gardening. So staying around them is soothing and gives you a lot of peace, right? So are there any instances where you spoke to your plants, sharing your happiness or any dull moments just when you were watering them or pampering your plants?
I don't know if I spoke about dull moments with the plants, but
Okay.
me and my daughter, we try to talk to them because a couple
Oh.
of plants, I
Uh-huh.
gave them the names of my daughter. So I told her
Uh,
that this is, and we call it green Tanishka. So there's a plant just in front of me. We call it green Tanishka. So Tanishka is
uh,
my daughter's name,
yes.
and that is how we try to talk to plants. Not really share good news or bad news, but yes,
Okay.
gardening is my passion. uh,
Nice.
in the Bangalore, real estate prices are so high. You're
So true.
confined to balcony gardens. That is all I have. But still, these
Right.
20 plants, they give me a lot of peace. Watering them, and it's all fun.
Nice. That's amazing.
For watching everyone. Please make sure you eat well, sleep well, and drink lots of water. Like, subscribe, and share.